Hi, my name is Nancy Peterson. I did the light bed, and earlier this year I had back surgery, and I have been numb on my lower left side, and I've not been able to pull in my stomach muscles or stand up straight on my back. This was back in April when I had surgery, so it's been 7 months. I used light bed twice, and I lived with St. George, and I went home and I slept for a few hours, got up. Next day I realized, oh my gosh, I'm not numb in my side anymore. I can actually feel my skin. And then I realized I could suck in my stomach for the first time in 7 months. The muscles were working, and I literally could stand up straight. My lower back wasn't feeling pinched, and it wasn't hurting. And I can actually stand straight now and pull my stomach in, and I'm loving it. And every day I check to make sure that I can still feel my skin, and I'm not numb, and I'm still there. I can feel the numbness is totally gone. It's just absolutely totally gone. And I'm thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled.